Wow, you're welcome to my channel today. Today I have this question still on thermochemistry. The question says, in the late 18th century, Priestley prepared ammonia by reacting nitric gas with hydrogen gas. The thermodynamic equation for the reaction is this, and then this is the change in heat that was seen. So what is change in heat when 10 grams of ammonia are made to react with an excess of steam to form nitric acid and hydrogen gases? Now we'll solve this following the details in the question. If you look at this question carefully, you're going to discover that the question is now saying that this ammonia, which is a product, which is part of the compounds here that formed this product, is saying that it will now become a reactant. So the product here will become a reactant. So what it means is that we're going to check how many moles, number of moles here, produce this. So 1 mole of ammonia here is what gave rise to this change in heat. In combination with this is what it produced, gave rise to this. So if that is the case, when it becomes reactant, it also simply means that the same 1 mole of ammonia will, when it becomes a reactant, will also produce a heat like this. But what would happen is that there will be a change in the sign, since this is going to be now become a reactant. So what we're going to have is this 1 mole of ammonia gas. 1 mole of ammonia gas is going to produce, since it's now going to become a reactant, so the sign will change to produce 637 kilojoules. That's what it's going to produce. So they are now asking us, what is change in heat when 10 grams of ammonia are made to react? Now this is given in grams, so that means that we must know the number of grams here that gave rise to this. So what we're going to simply do is this. Let's get the number of grams here before we relate this. So we have number of grams here. We have ammonia. Ammonia is ammonia gas. The number of grams here is going to be, as a compound here, is going to be the molar mass of hydrogen. Nitrogen here is 14. So I have 14 plus hydrogen here is 1, so 1 times 3 is 3. So what we're going to be having is going to be 17 grams. So therefore we can say that 17 grams of ammonia gas will produce plus 6370 kilojoules. So let me have it at this side. So we're going to have that 17 grams of ammonia gas will produce plus 637 kilojoules. So then what is change in heat when 10 grams of ammonia are made to react with an excess of steam? So these 10 grams of ammonia, let's just have 10 instead of 10.00, let's just have 10 of this ammonia gas will produce what change in heat. So what you need to do is to cross multiply. Now when I want to cross multiply 17 times H, I'm going to have 17 delta H. We have 17 times change in heat. 17 delta H, or 17 change in heat, equals to 10 times this. We're going to have 6370 kilojoules. So what you do next is, please let me squeeze in here. You divide both sides by 17. So I have 17 change in heat equals to 6370 kilojoules divided by 17. So 17 cancels this. Change in heat is going to be, don't forget, there's a plus sign here. So there's a plus sign here. So change in heat here is going to become 6370 divided by 17. So what we're going to have is 374.7 kilojoules, or preferably, approximately, you have, don't forget the plus, you have plus 375 kilojoules. So this is going to be your change in heat when you have 10 grams of ammonia which are made to react with an excess of steam to form nitric acid and hydrogen gases. So this is a solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe for more videos. And in case you have any comment, feel free to send it to us.